Okay, today we are going to learn how to deploy your website on Firebase without spending any money for hosting or for domain. And we are also going to get a SSL certificate for our website and make it secure as well in without spending any money on it. So let's go step by step and we will go really quick, and you just need to stop the video and then watch it again if you missed any step. So first step is that you need to install Node.js LTS version, remember this LTS version from the given website. So let's open the Chrome and paste our website URL here. So this is the LTS version 12.18.4. Let's download this version, and now you have to install this version. So till its installing is very easy. A latest version of Node.js is already installed because I have already installed. Installing of this Node.js is very easy. You just need to click next and just install the Node.js. Don't need to do any other step. If there is some checkbox having terms and condition, you need to click check, otherwise everything will be good. So just install the Node.js and let's move to the second step. The second step is that after installing the Node.js, you need to install Firebase. So for Firebase, what you have to do, you have to go there and just write cmd, so there will be a command prompt. So there is two command prompt, node.js command prompt. After you install the node.js, so you will see there will be a two command prompt, a node.js command prompt and a simple command prompt. Use anything as you wish, but I am going to use this command prompt as run as administrator. So just click on run as administrator, and you will see that this command prompt will be open. Now what you have to do, you have to write npm. Let me give you the command in the notebook as well. So the second step after installing the Firebase using this command, npm install Firebase, just copy the command and right click. It will automatically paste on the command prompt if you just right click on the mouse right key cursor, this one, and click enter. So this will install the Firebase command. I am pausing the video because it takes some time. Then we will resume it out after the installation. So after the installation will done, you will see the screen like this, the command that 122 package has been added. Leave this warning. Do you see this warning? Leave this because it's not related to this, to the deployment or any other errors. So we just want this, that these packages should be added in our Windows without any error. So that's it. So we are done with our this step as well. So let me undo this annotation. Okay, now we are going to move our third step. So the third step is that you have to install uh let me paste here. Yeah, third step is that we have to install firebase tools. So firebase tool installation is this npm I firebase dash tools. Let's copy this and paste it here. Just press enter. Don't worry about the steps. I will give you the text document in the description of our YouTube video, all the steps. So it is this will also take time for the installation. So let me pause the video again. Okay, as you can see that when we install the Firebase, we have some packages added on in our Windows, and in the same way, npm edit the Firebase tool packages in our Windows. There's 576 packages. Leave the warning. We don't want this warning. We are not related with this warning. We just want these packages should be installed in our Windows. So we are done with this step as well. So let's undo this annotation and let's move to the further steps. So after that, the third step we are done. Now what we have to do, uh, 1 second. Yeah. So this one is the fourth step. We have to create a Firebase account on firebase.google.com. So let's copy the URL and paste it here. So when you open this website, it should be look like this. Okay. So you have to click on get started. It will be ask your account to sign up or create, so you have to choose an account which is related to you, and which is which in which the password you will always remember. So choose that account which you used to use it. So let's select the account, and I am going to select this Salim Parvez. It's my mama's account because I have already created account with Firebase with the other remaining account like Unais Ali, UTech, Unais Ali, this one and this one. So I am going to create this, select this account. For now, you have to select your own personal account. I am telling you, this is very important step. Don't use anybody's account because this is related to your website. Every content of your website will be uploaded on your uh, Firebase. First on Firebase, then on your website. So your personal account is very important for hosting and domain. So the password should be carry on, and let's click on the next. So the account is creating. So you can see that you will get this screen. So what you have to do, you just have to create a project like this, and you have to choose a unique name every time with your project because it will be URL in future. It will be your URL for your website. So like this, I select the project name like my first website. Okay. So if I select the my first website, you will see that. Wait, let me zoom. 1 second. Let me zoom the screen. Yeah, now it's perfect. So if you have to select the name, a very unique name. If I select that my dash first dash website, so it will create a URL with this number like this, my dash first website dash 93215. So always create a project with a unique name. So I am changing the name because I don't want these number in my URL, these numbers. So let's change the name of my project, and my name is Unes. So Unes dash website. So you can see that it's very easy URL. Now my project name is unique and there is no number in the URL as well. So what it's mean like this, my future URL will be like this, unas dash website dot web dot app. So you can see that this is a very simple and easily remember. So when you creating a project, use a unique name here, and if you select the unique name, so there will be no numbers. Otherwise you will get some numbers here. So number with URL is very hard to remember, so you have to select a easy and unique name for your project. So I accept, and then you have to continue, then you have to continue again, then press leave the everything as it is and check this terms and condition, accept this, and just create a project. So it's creating a project. It will take some time, just 1 minute or 2 minutes, depend upon internet. Okay, you can see that our project is created, and just you need to continue, and you will see that our project UNES website is created. So what we have to do now, we our I think fourth step, yeah, our fourth step is completed. So now we are going to move our fifth step. So oh, our fifth step is already done, because our fifth step is that, one second, create a project on Firebase, try to be unique. So we are done with it. So we are going to move our sixth step. Our sixth step is this: open Firebase CLI in Windows, and how to open I will teach you. And step 7 is login with Firebase. Okay, so let's do the step 6 first, and then step 7. So we have already have our command prompt, which we have installed the Firebase tool. And if your command prompt is accidentally shut down, so don't worry about it, open it again. Okay, so let's check our Firebase first. Firebase, just type Firebase to check that your Firebase is installed or not. So you can see that our Firebase is installed, because this command will not show if our Firebase is not installed. So let's move the further. You have to log in. Okay, you have to log in with Firebase. So for login in Firebase is very easy. Just write Firebase login. Okay, and just press enter, and then you have to press yes. It will automatically open the Chrome browser and ask you that in which account you want to log in with your Firebase. So I recently created with my account with Salim Parvez. So click on the Salim Parvez and just allow. Click on allow. As soon as you allow, you will get that, whoa, Firebase CLI login successfully. And if you move to your command prompt, so you will see that your account is successfully created. Now you have to close this CMD. Now this CMD time is finished. So we have done with our step 7, and now we are going to move our step 6, step 8 and 9. So before making your website live on internet, just make a folder, a good folder. So let's create a folder on desktop folder, and make it as Firebase website as you want. Just create a folder, and under this folder, yeah, one second, let me. Okay, under this folder, you can see that there is nothing here, no files, no anything. So you have to uh, press your left mouse key in here in empty spaces. Okay, at empty spaces you have to just click and remove all the content, and just write cmd here. We have to open command prompt at that folder, so it's a short trick to open a command prompt at any folder. So just press enter, and you will see that command prompt is open on C user unes desktop Firebase website. So we want that. Now you have to be very authentic, because these steps should be correctly followed, otherwise you will stuck again and again and again. So step 8, you have to enter firebase in it. What you have to enter? Firebase in it. So let's enter the text firebase in it. Okay, and just press enter. You have already logged in. Okay, before you have already logged in, so don't worry about it. If you didn't log in, this command will not work. So we have already logged in, so just enter firebase in it. You will see that there is two options, yes and no. So just press on yes, and be careful here. Wait, let me change the font size, so you will see. Okay, okay, now, so be careful when you enter yes after firebase init. So there is you can see that while selecting anything you don't need to press enter, because it's already giving you the instructions that press space. You can see that there is written clearly that press space. So what you have to do, okay, 1 second, let me give you the step 8, step 9, sorry. So after enter firebase init, step 9 is press y, yes, and then step 10, this is step 10, let me rename. Step 10 is select hosting. So by using up and down my mouse key, you can go to the hosting is the fourth one, and just press space, don't enter, just press space. And I press this space, you can wait, let me show you. This is space, and just pressing the space, you need to then press enter. Space is just for selecting, and enter for uh, enter to this hosting command. So just press enter now. Then be careful here as well. So this is our step 11. Let me give you the instruction of step 11 first. So okay, let me rename, this is step 11. Select the existing project. You have to select the existing project which you have created. We have created Unas dash website, so we are going to select our existing project. So what you have to do, just use existing project is the first one. So just press enter, and it will open all the project you have created in your firebase. So in our new firebase account we have created just one project, Unas dash website. So just press enter, and it will create a public directory. So press enter again, and yes again. Okay, remember these steps, enter and yes, why. So here, and firebase initialize will be completed, is completed. Okay, so if you what are our step 12? Step 12 is press enter. Step 13 is press yes, why. Okay, so if we move our folder, so now our firebase website folder is not empty, because we have created a public folder and some by using some firebase command. So if we move to our public folder and we open this index.html, so we see that okay, firebase hosting setup is completed. Now give me your website and let's going to deploy it. So what we are going to do, so we don't want this index html, because we want our website in this folder. So delete this one, this index, there is nothing inside this folder, and let's copy our own website. So let's go to D, my website. Oh, I have some portfolio, so let's upload the portfolio. So 1 second, I am searching for a for our uh, low storage portfolio, because it will take some time to for hosting, sometime for hosting, because I have so many templates which is higher than 20 MB or 30 MB, so it will take time for uploading the website online. So let's select this one, and I can give, this is the portfolio which is not online yet, and this is index.html file. So let's select this one, and let's copy all the content inside the folder, and let's move back to our desktop. Wait a second, and 1 second here. This is our desktop Firebase website, and under the public we have already deleted our index.html, and just paste your files. Okay, so you can see that there is every files of our website which I have which I have created, or you can see any website you want, you can live, just keep it, remember. So we have paste files here. Now what we have to do, just go to our command prompt. This is our command prompt, and you need to type, because we have already done with yes and enter and Firebase creating project and everything. So after that, just follow the step by step, don't miss any step, don't close the command prompt until I told you. Okay, so this is our same command prompt, and we didn't close anything. This is our same command. I just closed command prompt 2 times. One time when we installed the firebase tools, I closed the command prompt, then I open the command prompt on the folder name, this desktop here. So firebase website, this one. So I open the command prompt here by removing your tags and cmd. After that, I didn't close any command prompt. So this is our same command prompt, and what you have to do, just write firebase deploy, just press enter, and it will take some time, or maybe more than some time, for uploading your website on internet. So you can see that your files are uploading. It detects all the files under the public folder, and after collecting all the data under the public folder, your website is uploaded. Let's check our you can see that I select the unique name, so it created my URL same, unes-website.web.app. Easily remember, and I can give this URL easily to someone. So always create a unique project, and always see the below that your project is it creating a some number with your project name. So if it created some number, so change the project name until this number become vanish, because no, I again told you that without number your website will be easily remember. Okay, just copy this, this is my URL, and let's close this one, and close this one as well. Okay, now let's go, 1 2 3, enter. Okay, so you can see that our portfolio is live, fast and secure without spending any money. Connection is secure, and your portfolio is live. Okay, so this is how the things work, and how you can upload your any kind of website freely on internet with a very good URL. You can see the domain name is very good. It's not like a xyz abcd or anything. It's a good URL, .web.app, unes.web.app, company.web.app, travel agency.web.app. So it's a very good URL in my opinion. So you can see that the website reloading time is very short, and everything is perfectly uploaded, everything. So that's it for today. If you make any changes in your website, if you want to make any changes in your website here in public folder, like you have to change the uh, title or images or anything, you have to go back, and under the same folder you have to again press cmd here. Okay, like we did before when we created an empty folder, and just write firebase deploy again. Okay, whenever you make the changes on your website, you have to enter this command again and again, because you have to deploy your changes on internet. So firebase deploy again. Let's suppose I change the heading, so you have to apply this command again and again. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Goodbye.